welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for stopping by. Thank you a lot. I hope I'm not wasting your time. Have a good day. So, I recently had an economics fair, and it was about shower bombs because I created a shower bomb for my economics fair. Yeah. So, I'm going to be speaking about what is a shower bomb and how to use it. Let's first talk about what is a shower bomb. A shower bomb is not meant for your body, not for your shower. I think it's in the word. So.
Hey everyone, this is a shower steamer bomb, and why it was created because instead of taking a bath like a normal person would, instead you can stand up and it can create a nice scent in your nice hot steaming aroma shower. And these are some things you can add in so it can also look nice as a little gift maybe, or you can hang it somewhere for decoration.
The ingredients are
some
baking soda, cornstarch, and citric acid.
And you can put some add-ins if you'd like.
It is a shower bomb. It's basically just a bath bomb, just not for the bath and not for your body. And then it cleans your shower, not your body. Again, no body. Do not put it on your body, okay? Thank you. So, then how to use a shower bomb? Well, you first put the shower bomb on a napkin and then get ready for your shower, your nice shower. Make it warm. So then you're gonna take your shower bomb, take it off the napkin and put it in the corner of your shower so it doesn't roll down. Don't worry, make sure it has a flat surface so it doesn't roll. If it has a rolling surface, put it in your bath because then that's a bath bomb. So, what you do is you wet the shower bomb a little bit without the napkin. You wet the shower bomb a little bit and then it'll take about 5 seconds to, get the scent, and then it'll smell amazing. And not only that, but it'll clean your shower a little bit. And I hope you have a nice day and a nice shower. Thank you so much for supporting and thank you so much for stopping by. I love you all and have a nice little time with the rest of my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. It's Pika's World. Goodbye.